Over, over.
Loud and clear.
Loud and clear.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel Hussein Couple. This is Nakib Hussein. Today we are going to unbox Baofeng UV5R walkie talkie. I ordered this from Flipkart. Let's see inside box के अंदर क्या क्या है. इसको करते हैं साइड. This is Baofeng dual channel walkie talkie. Actually, this is Chinese item, easily available in Flipkart. I ordered this in Flipkart and it cost 2500. Let's see inside. Okay, in this box we have at first user manual, your site, a small details about the product and the phone number in case of any problem. In this site we have got the walkie talkie here. This is walkie talkie. This is the battery. Just to fit this battery, put it on the back side and give a gentle push. Okay, and this is the radio, and this is the walkie talkie, and the box contains antenna, one small strap, charger, headphone, one clip to attach it with your belt, and the charging port. At first, let's fix the antenna. Okay, all done. Let's start it.
Frequency mode.
As soon as you turn it on, it will say either frequency mode or channel mode. In this case,
Frequency mode.
it is in frequency mode. So this is the walkie talkie. It looks very beautiful. There is one torchlight here. There is FM radio. Now let's look the menu inside. Let's look the menu inside.
Menu.
Let's start from 1. This is step 2.5K. In case you want to increase your frequency, the frequency will increase by 2.5 kilohertz.
Menu. Frequency step. Confirm.
SQL,
Squelch.
squelch. This is the clearance. If your squelch is in low mode, then there will be less disturbance. If it is in high mode, there will be high disturbance.
Confirm. Squelch. Confirm.
Next, reset. You can reset all your systems. Roger. दिस इन केस यू टर्न इन ऑन एज सुन एज यू टॉक, अगर आप यहाँ पे बात करेंगे तो इस बीप करेगा आपको.
Menu.
PONGMS for I don't know what is this. RPTR, this is for repeater. In case you are attached with repeater, you can set to this mode.
Confirm.
Repeater STE on, TDR AB, band. There are two
Band
bands here,
selection.
UHF and VHF. That's why this is dual tone walkie-talkie.
Confirm.
This is all mode tone. The sound you are hearing. This is text. In case of any text, orange LED will pop up. In case of any transaction, there will be transmission. There will be blue light, and in case of waiting, there will be purple light. This is channel delete, memory channel, offset, shift, auto lock, BCL, MDF-B, MDF-A, PTT-LT. The PTT is push to talk. PTT ID, SC review, SC code, DT, MF, ST, DT plus ANI. I don't know what is it. You will get lots of options here. Go to user manual to look through it. This is turn on. This is turn off.
Frequency mode.
Okay, so that's all for today. So we are going to test the range of this also. In this manual it's written 2 to 5 kilometers.
Over.
Loud and clear.
Loud and clear.